Yeah, this is bank owned, this bank. Yeah, and they try to keep the yard nice, but looks like probably a stolen handcart and remains of stolen bicycles or other garbage. And I'm sure the bank didn't put that there. Oh, by the way, I think they want 1.5 million for this.
It's a medical clinic.
A medical clinic.
I saw online that there's one nearby.
Yeah, it's downtown. You know where you new here? Must be.
I've been here for months.
Okay, you're new here.
I understand there's one around the corner, and that's closed today. And there's another one that's also closed towards the library. There's supposed to be one around here.
I do not know of one around here. Say the one I know about is over by you know, the building with the guy climbing out of the clam.
Right.
Downtown. Behind that is I think it's Front Street Clinic. And that's the only one I know of. Over here on this main road, there's a Lutheran church. They have the warming shelter, you know, if you need a place to stay overnight.
I now know what I got.
Huh? But yeah, other than that, there's Bartlett. Weird. I got here a month ago. Yeah, you know. If we're lucky, the next guy in a black uniform he stops will be JPD. 41. It was like what, -10 last week? Crazy. Well, this is the cheapest car I've seen. $1,000. But it's a Subaru. Ain't worth 10% of that. Ah, charbroiler. Welcome to my OnlyFans. What we got today? Got the hell is it? Magnitude 9.2. Double citrus ale. Matanuska Brewing. Pack it in, pack it out. That looks like Ford. Yep. This is some nice Juno sunshine here, man. Yeah, citrusy. I've had this before. I think I had this like about a year ago. Oh, seal's fucking with me now. Hope that was a seal. I like to make newcomers feel welcome. Not from around here, you know. Tries to beat around the bush because he's not from around here. Been here, you're not from around here. Yeah. Evidently, it looked like he had the coof of some sort. Right. As long as you don't end up being one of these drug addict, gas stealing, general problem causing people. Yeah, I don't care. As long as they stay out of my hair. Don't try to steal my crap, because I've had enough of my crap walk off. pretty breezy too. Well, damn. We're in some pretty shit now. The fuck we gonna do? Build a campfire? Sit around it, sing a song? Yeah, well, they come out at night, mostly. And a sip for Poseidon. At least when it's 35 to 40, you don't have to worry about your beer freezing. That's a cool thing.